Gave the game my love, gave it all I had. With everything I got, you can never take that back. I put my blood, sweat, and my tears, dedicated for years.
Ako yung patunay, di ba? Isa akong aircon technician, matagal na ako nagtatrabaho, pero never kong na-imagine na magkakaroon ako nito sa trabaho ko. Dito ko lang ito naranasan sa VIP Club, kumita ako ng 6 digits income, di ba? And right now, maglalabas ako ng sasakyan.
We will rise from the fire. We will rise from the flame. We will keep raising higher till the whole world knows our name. It's our turn now. The stars in the future, we got the history to prove it. This is for legends in the making, on the path to be the greatest. Let no one take it, you got to rise up and face it. Embrace it like the feeling, you got to see it with a vision. Visualize winning and put the grind in and go get it. This is our moment, our turn, everything that we work for. Sacrifice for a long time, nothing else, we want more. We will rise from the fire. We will rise from the flame. We will keep raising higher till the whole world knows our name. It's our turn now. It's our turn now. It's our turn now.
Hindi lang ako yung maglalabas ng resulta, pati yung team ko maglalabas din ng resulta, diba? And kung ikaw yung nanonood dyan, dapat ini-imagine mo na ikaw na yung next, diba?